ganyan. Very classy, very genuine. Teka, tanggalin natin ito para makita niyo yung mga style. Walang may gusto dito kay skirt. Skirt set. Alright, hubadera na naman tayo for today's video. Charot. Ito na. For $5, size 2 shorts. For $5, size 2 short. Comment size 2, comment 5. Ikaw na bahala. Super popular nito nung nakaraan. Dapat nabigay ko na lang dun sa mga may gusto talaga. Ayan. Ganito siya. Comment size 2 if you like. Comment size 2 if you like. Size 2. Ganito siya. Ayan. Super cute nitong shorts na to for $5. Super cute for $5. So, comment size 2 or comment 5. Comment size 2 or comment 5 for $5 shorts. Ayan. Late ako. Yes, late ka. Charot. Late ka, be. Okay, next is ito. Ano ba itong na to? Wait lang. Shein. Shein siya na na jogger pants. Shein siya. Shein ang brand na jogger pants. Size small for $5. Size small for $5. Shein siya na long pants. Ganyan. Long pants, size small for $5. Brand is Shein. Walang bulsa. Brand is Shein. Shein. Sa size 2, same ba yan sa nakuha ko? Oo, be, same to nang nakuha mo. Pero size 2 nga, size 2 ba? Wala kaya yata nakuha ganito na size 4. Si Sis Jeril, yours na to, Sis Jeril. Sis Jeril. Okay, so baka merong may gusto nito for $5. Shein ang brand for $5, size small. Ano to? Oh, baka may mga extra small dyan. I'll just give this for free. I'll give this for free na lang. This is, ano to? Yung ganito, yung shape, ano ba to? Girdle, ganito. I'll give this for free. So, comment Erica. Comment Erica for free if you like this. Comment Erica for free if you like. Comment Erica for free if you like. Comment Erica for free if you like. Hello, Sis Ellie! May pang summer set ka na, sis. Meron, sis, yung kaninang suot ko. Tsaka meron pa dun, sis, meron pa. Marami pa. Sinong nakakuha kay Erica? Sis Jeril, yours na to, Sis Jeril. Sis Jeril, yours na si Erica. Charot. Okay, next natin is ito. This one is size 4. This one is size 4, but this one runs small. I'll give this for $3. I'll give this pants for $3. Skinny siya na short. High-rise skinny. Hold on, i-measure natin kung anong size yung ano. So, this one is size 12 plus 2, 24. This one is size 4, but this is size 24 for $3. For $3, comment size 4 if you like. Comment size 4 if you like for $3. Size 24 to. Size 24. Comment size 4 if you like for $3. Comment size 4 if you like for $3. Oh, ito. I gave this for free last time. So I'll give it again for free. I'll give this again for free. Comment Joy. Comment Joy if you like. Comment Joy if you like. This is size 2. This is size 2 for free. Size 2 for free. Comment Joy if you like. Comment Joy if you like. Size 2 for free. Size 2 for free. Okay, so this one is size 14 slim for $2. Size 14 slim for $2. Size 14 slim for $2. This is kids. Kids size 14. Kids size 14 for $2. Comment 14. Comment 14 for $2. Who got the free? Who got the joy? Sana all size 24. I know, diba? Hindi na tayo size 24, sis Juliet. May Rochelle. Yours na to, sis May. Okay. Si Joy, napunta kay sis May. Yours na to, sis May. Si Joy. Sis May. Okay. And then, magkano slippers mo, sis, for kids? $2, sisi. Ito. Ganito siya. I have this one size 9. Size 9 for $2. Size 9 for $2. And then ito. Ito na lang ang natitira. Size 22 daw siya eh. Size 22 na pambata. Pero maliit. Maliit siya. So, comment 22 if you like. Or comment 9 if you like. For $2. Joy. Pang boy. Pang boy. Ay, yours na to, sis Annbel. Pang boy, be? Hindi. Pang ano siya. Pang girl. Pang girl to siya. Pang girl. Yours na to, sis Ann. Size 14. Mine ako dalawa. Okay, be. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ibigay muna natin to kay sis Ann. Sis Ann 2. Okay, and then, sa slippers, dalawa na size 9. And then, kay sis Melissa, isa. Ay, sakto, tatlo. Okay, last 3 tong ano. Okay, so, yours na to, sis Marge. Sis Marge, damihan mo. Bibili mo para hindi ka sayang sa shipping. Sis Marge. Sis Marge. Hello, sis Melissa. Sis Melissa, where have you been all my life? Sis Melissa. Thank you din, sis. Okay. Yours na to, sis Melissa. Okay, so I have this one. This is also $2. Let me see what size. This, again, this is size 14. Size 14 for $2. Kids, girls, kids, size 14 for $2. Comment 14. Comment 14, size kids, girls for $2. Comment 14. For $2. How much bag sa likod? Ito sisi. Ito sis is 25. This is 25 crossbody bag. Ganyan siya sa likod. Ayan. Ang tatak niya is Korean brand. Everlast daw. Everlast. Korean ang tatak niya. And then I have this one, inspired na na long champ. Ganyan siya sa likod. Ganyan, may tatak. And then, this one is $20. Meron siyang, ganyan. Strap. Meron siyang strap. Meron siyang mga tatak. Pati sa, ganyan. So, comment green if you like. This is 20. And then, comment 25 if you like for the red. Okay, and then, nasa na mi? Alright, sa mga na tayo. Flex ko muna to. Baka may gusto sa inyo. This is $2. This is $2, size small. $2, ay wait lang ha. May nakalimutan ako. Hold on. Wait lang mga sis. Ayan, shinare ko lang. Okay, so this one is $2. It's a halter top, $2. $2 halter top. Comment 2 if you like. Comment 2 if you like, size small. Comment 2 if you like, this is size small. Comment 2 if you like, size small. For $2. For $2, comment, comment 2. Comment 2 for $2. Comment 2 for $2. Size small. Comment 2 for $2. Size small. I only have 1, 2, 3. I only have 3 of this for $2 each. I only have 3 of this for $2 each. $12 retail price. Comment 2 if you like. Oh, 4 pala. 4. Kasi mine ko na tong suot ko. Sis Jonah, maganda to sis Jonah. Kumuha ka nito, $2 lang to sis Jonah. Kumuha ka for $2. Comment 2 if you like. Okay. Next, summer set. Summer set. Sis May, eto na summer set na tayo. Summer set. Okay. So this one is a skirt. I'll give this one is size small. Actually extra small to small. Extra small to small. Alam mo ba sis Lara? Sabi ko, alam ko kukuha ka nito sis Lara. Okay, so this one is $10 for this set. This set is $10. Comment 10. Comment 10 if you like. This is like this. Like that. Wait lang. Yung chan ko kasi. Extra small to small lang to. Extra small to small. For $10, comment 10. Comment 10 for $10. Comment 10. Set. Galing na. Mine too, sis Lara. Okay, yours na to, sis Lara. Sabi, alam mo, nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, ay, pang kay sis Lara to. Okay, sis. Pero kumuha din ako, syempre. Sis Lara. Sino pa? Sis Jonah. Okay, sis Jonah. Sis Jonah. Sis Jonah. Meron pa? Sis Jonah. Dalawa na sa'yo, sis. Okay, sige. Yours na dalawa. Okay. Sis Lara. I think sa iba, ang benta nila is 5. Okay, yours na to, sis Lara, for 10. Yours na, sabi ko na pati ito, charot. Okay, yours na to. Yours na to, si 10. Yours na ito. Isa na lang ang natitira kay Purple. Kunin nyo na. Kunin nyo na isa na lang for $2. Kasi kung di nyo kukunin, dadalhin ko itong dalawa sa sa Japan. Sana yung ko lagayan. May lagayan ba ito? Ito na lang. Ito na lang natin ilagay. Yours na to, sis Lara. Thank you din, sis. Thank you din. Sis Lara. Okay, another summer set. Another set. Another set. This one, mahal ko itong nabili. So, I'll give this for 20. I'll give this for 20 kasi mahal ko siyang nabili. Pero super ganda nitong set na to. Pa-cardigan siya. Pa-cardigan na na dress. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng tela niya. Super ganda ng tela, oh. Super ganda. Wait. Wala na dito kay Purple. Wala na kay Purple for $2. Purple for $2. Akin to. Where is my stuff? Okay. Sukat natin to. So, I will give this for 20. Comment 20 if you like, okay? Comment 20 if you like. Size medium on tag, but this will fit small. This will fit small. This will fit small. Ganito siya. Ang lakas niyang makasexy. Ang lakas makasexy. And then, tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo naman. Comment 20 if you like. Comment 20 if you like this. For $20, comment 20 if you like. Ay, oh, saan ka pa? Tara na sa Korea. Charot. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Oh. Ay, ang ganda. Ang lakas makasosyal. Oh. Social na social ang datingan mo dito. Tapos kung ayaw mo ng medyo ganyan, oh. Sige, ano nga, sabi nga ni Sis Juliet, dainty. Oh, mag-dainty tayo. Charot. Dainty. Oh. Diba? Pwede mo tong gamitin sa airport. Or pag pumunta ka ng pag pumunta ka ng tawag dito, pag pumunta ka ng Pinas. Siyempre sa Pinas, kailangan medyo sexy na medyo classy. O, pak! Bet na bet ko to kasi kumuha din ako ng isa nito eh. Sasabihin ko sa inyo pag kumuha ko. Ganda. Super, no? Sis May. Super ganda. Kumuha talaga ako nito kasi super ganda. Sis Juliet, yours na to, Sis Juliet. Hindi mo to pagsisisihan. Tsaka kasya sa atin, sis. Kasya sa atin to. Kasya sa atin, no? Okay. And then, kay Sis Juliet na to. Sis Juliet. Hindi na kaya ng card. Hindi na kaya. Hindi, be. Kakayanin to kasi yung sa akin din eh, di ba? Alam mo naman, magka-size tayo. This one is another 20, but this one is a pants, pants with cardigan set. Pants with cardigan. Ganito siya. So, comment cream na lang. Comment cream if you like. Ganito siya. Comment cream if you like. Pwede itong pang dalawang outfit kung aalis kayo. Like, meron kang pang inner. Tapos, meron kang cardigan na ganito. Ayan. For $20. For $20, you already have a pants. You already have a cardigan. And then, kung gusto mo ng ibang outfit, Oh, syempre, tanggalin mo lang yung ano mo, pagkakabotones mo ng cardigan. Oh, ganyan mo lang. Oh, pak! Iba na yung outfit mo. Oh. Ayan. Oh, diba? For $20, you already have 2 outfit. Tanggalin mo to, mag-iba ka ng top. Oh, meron ka ng ano, meron ka ng ibang outfit na ano, na masusuot. Ayan. So, for $20, you have 2 outfit. Charis! So, comment cream if you like. Comment cream if you like for this. Comment cream if you like. Okay, next tayo. Next. Anong cloth niya, Day? Cotton? Paano ba malaman, sis? Wait, tingnan natin. 95% acrylic, 5% elastane. So, ganito. Ganito yung sa pants. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan siya. Malambot. Ayan. And then, ganito yung sa cardigan. Sa cardigan is same na, hindi siya cotton, pero, ayan, ganyan siya. Hindi siya yung pangmumurahin na na fabric. Ganyan. 20, ate, 20. Ganyan siya. Maganda to siya, maganda. Super lambot pa ng tela. Tapos, ganito yung button niya. Ganyan ang kanyang button. Oh, tapos, meron siyang bulsa. Oh, meron siyang bulsa. Pak! Diba? Ayan to siya. Okay, next tayo. Hindi, pamimigay ko to kasi wait lang. This one is $15. This one is $15. Ano ba to? This is 15. This is 97% polyester, 3% elastane. Size large on tag for 15. For 15, comment 15 if you like this. Comment 15 if you like this. Ganito siya. Size large on tag, ha? Size large on tag. But very soft. So, hindi to pwede sa small. Hindi siya pwede sa small, malaki. Size large on tag siya. Ganito siya. For $15, ganito. Ayan. For $15, comment 15 if you like. 97% polyester. And 3% elastane. Gusto mo ba, te? Pupunta si Abby dito ng Friday. Pupunta siya dito ng Friday, magtitingin daw siya. Okay, so this one is only $15. This is $15 large size. $15 large size. Comment 15 if you like. Comment 15 if you like. Super cute, very classy. Kahit gamitin mo to na pang grocery, pwede na. Oh, naka $15 outfit ka pa. Oh, lagyan mo lang siya ng bag. Ready to go ka na. Mine suot. Okay, yours na to, ate. Oh, lagyan mo lang ng bag. Ready to go. Saris. Ako kasi naka-mine nung bag na yun na red. Okay, yours na to, ate. Then, yours na attach. Yours na to, ate. Hold on, baby, hold on. 50 din. Okay, next is, baka may gustong umabol sa inyo nito, $4 lang, large size. $4 for the set, $4 for the set, large size. Comment 4 if you like, comment 4 if you like. Large size daw siya, pero kasya sa akin, medium ako. Ayan o. Leggings siya. Leggings, ganyan. For $4, comment 4 if you like. Comment 4 if you like. Very stretchy. Very stretchy ng material. Ganito. Comment 4 if you like for $4 for this set. $4 for this set. Comment 4 if you like. Size large on tag. Size large on tag pero kasya sa akin. Comment 4 if you like for $4. Comment 4 if you like. Size large on tag. Size large on tag. Ayaw nyo si $4. $4. Okay, next natin is set na pantulog. Set na pantulog. This one is size. This one is only $13. This is $13. Set na pantulog. I'm trying the medium one. I'm trying the medium one. This is $13. $13, size medium. I have size medium and size small. Pang-lounge pala to, lounge. Pang-lounge. Ganito siya. Baligtad. Comment 13M. 13M or 13 small. I only have one medium and then two small. One medium and then two small. $13 for this set. $13 for this set. Ano to? Material. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. Comment 15 if you like, 15M or 15S. 15M or 15S. Ganyan siya. 15M or 15S. But 15! 13! 13 lang to, 13 lang. 13M or 13S. For $13. Ayan. Meron siyang bulsa. And then, kung tawag dito, kung gusto nyong lumabas na nakapang lounge kayo, pack. Pwede ka na. Pwede ka nang lumabas. Ayan na. Go ka na. Very classic ka ulit tingnan. Alam mo yun, yung kahit basic pieces lang, pwede mo siyang i-pull off. Ay, sino kay mine for? Okay, so mine for si Sis Ann. Sis Ann, yours na to. Sis Ann, yours na to si 4. Sis Ann. Sis Ann. And 4. Sis Ella, naunahan ka. Sis Ella, she got the So, size, sa 13S natin, si Sis John. Anong size yan suot mo, sis? Size medium, sisi. Size medium. Size medium yung suot ko. Size medium. Size small natin kay Sis Sis Jonah, yours na to si size small. Sis Jonah, yours na to si size small. Sis Jonah. 13. Okay. Walay na. Okay. Hold on na, kasi baka may bumili na nito eh. May nag-message kasi sa akin. Wait lang. Ito ba yung kinuha niya? Okay, iba pala to. Okay. Good. Mine, 13 small. Okay, yours na si 13 small, sis. Sis Ann. Yours na to si sis Ann. Sis Ann. Sis Ann. Okay, wali na. Baka may gusto sa inyo, nag-iisa na lang to na ano, na RL. Baka meron may gusto sa inyo, nag-iisa na lang to na RL for $15. For $15, ganyan yung tela niya. Super soft ng tela nito. Meron ako nito eh. Tingnan natin kung anong material. 50% viscose, 28% polyester, 22% polyamide. Oh. Sangka pa. Oh, tatlo yung klase ng ano. Tatlo yung klase ng, ang tawag doon, ng tela ang meron tong ano na to. Itong RL na to. So, kunin nyo na for $15. Comment 15 if you like. Comment 15 if you like. Small to medium kasha. Small to medium kasha for $15. Tatlong klaseng tela ang meron siya. Pack. O, baka meron dyan na malalamig na lugar. Baka meron pa dyan na malalamig ang lugar. I have this for $5. I have this for $5. I have... This is only large. This is only large size. Large size for $5. Comment 5 if you like. Ganito yung style. Comment 5 if you like. Ganito yung style. Comment 5 if you like. Ganito yung style niya. Size large. Size large. Size large. Comment 5 if you like. Comment 5 if you like. Ganyan siya. Kumuha ko nito ng size large din para sa akin kasi gusto ko yung oversize na ano, na look. Nakita 35. O, diba, ate? Sis Ann, yours na. Sis Ann. Diba, bakit ka magbabayad ng 35? Kung pwede mo naman siyang kunin ng 15. Yours na to, Sis Ann. Naunahan ka, Sis May. Naunahan ka, Sis May. Yours na to, Sis Ann. Ang gaganda ng mga nakukuha mo, Sis Ann. Meron ba kay 5? Ate Den, yours na to. And then, kay Sis Cheeky. Ate Den and Sis Cheeky. Ate Den and Sis Cheeky. Ate Den. 5. And Sis Cheeky. And Sis Cheeky. Suot ko to nung nakaraan, ate. I think nakita mo yun, yung sa post ko. And Sis Cheeky. Ay, ate din, nabigay ko na kay Sis Cheeky. Sis Ellie, naunahan ka na naman, sis. Naunahan ka na naman. Anong nangyari sa'yo, sis? Meron ako itong jacket, ganito. Baka gusto nyo. Baka gusto nyo to. Size small on tag. Size small on tag, $30 retail price. I'll give this for $5. Size small on tag, $30 retail price. I'll give this for $5. Ano to siya oversized. Kasi ito small siya, ganyan siya. So comment black if you like this. Comment black if you like this for $5. Comment black if... Yes, I can see you, Sis Ellie, but your comment is late. I see their comment first before you, Sis Ellie. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay lang isa sa akin. Okay, be. Okay. So comment black if you like this. Comment black if you like this. It's size small on tag. Size small on tag, but it's like this big on me. Like that. Size small on tag for $5. Comment black. Comment black. I have two of this. I have two of this. Both size small. Both size small, $30 retail price. Okay, so on the black one, hold on. Sis Joyce Manawis, which one is the 5? It's this one. The code is black, Sis Joyce. I'm so sorry. I have to give it to Sis Alpha Joy. Sis Alpha Joy, can you PM me your name and address, sis? Sis, PM me your name and address. Sis Alpha Joy. Sa page na lang, sis. Sa page na lang. I'll give this to you, sis. Please PM your name and address. Oh, Sis Joyce, there you go. You got the black 5. Okay. I'll give you the other one, Sis Joyce Manawis. Sis Joyce, please PM your name and address. Sis Alpha Joy, please PM, and Sis Joyce. Charbo. Sis Alpha Joy. Charot. And Sis Joyce, please PM your name and address so I can give it to you. So I can give it to you. Please PM. There you go. I received it, Sissy. Hold on pala. Okay. Okay, thank you, Sissy. I received it. Thank you. This is yours. Sis Joyce. Okay. I have this jacket. Maybe you guys like. It's like this. It's size large on tag. Size large on tag. I'll give this for $7. I'll give this for $7. Size large on tag. Thank you, sis. I receive it. Thank you. Thank you, sis. This one is size large on tag. I'll give this for $7. I'll give this for $7. Size large on tag. Comment 7 if you like. Comment 7 if you like. Comment 7. Yours, Ate Den. Yours, Ate Den. Ate Den. Ate Den. Okay, yours, Ate Den. So if you are size 24, this is size 4, but it will fit 24. It will fit 24, size 4 for $3. For $3. Comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like. Sis Joyce, naunahan ka, Sis Joyce. Sis Joyce, naunahan ka. Okay. If you are size small, extra small pala. Extra small, size extra small for $2. Size extra small for $2. It's like this. Retail price is $14. Retail price is $14. Size extra small for $2. Comment 2. Comment 2 if you like. Comment 2 if you like. Comment 2 If you have kiddos, if you have a kid, size medium 8, I'll give this for $3. I'll give this for $3. It's for kids medium size 8. Kids medium size 8. It's a rash guard. I'll give this for $3. Comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like. This will fit adult din yata. Ay, hindi. Masyado nang tight. It will fit extra small adult. Comment 3 if you like. Okay. Yours na to, Sis Ann. Yours na to, Sis Ann. Sis Ann. Sis Ann. If you have... Ay, natanggal. Retail price is $14. Retail price is $14. It's size 40. Size 40 kids. Size 40 kids. It's like this. I'll give this for $3. I'll give this for $3. Comment 40. Comment 40 if you like if you have 4 years old kid. 40 for $3. Comment yellow. Comment yellow. Sis Joyce, maybe you like this one. This is only $5. Size medium on tag. Size medium on tag, $5. Size medium on tag, it's like that. Size medium on tag for $5. Comment navy if you like. Comment navy if you like for $5. Comment navy if you like for $5. Comment navy if you like. Okay, let's go back to the sets. This is size medium. I will put this on sale na lang. Itong si red. I'll give this for 13. I'll give this red for 13, size medium. Navy. Okay, yours na yon, Sis Joyce. Yours na si navy. Hold on. Yours na to, Sis Joyce. Ay, be, naunahan ka, be. Be, naunahan ka, be. Nakuha ni Sis Joyce. Okay, I'll give this for $13 na lang. This is size medium. This is size medium. Ang tela niya is 100% polyester. So, ganito yung pinaka-style niya. This is size medium for 13. Comment red if you like this. Comment red if you like this. Ganyan siya. Size medium on tag. Comment red if you like for 13. Comment red if you like for $13. Comment red. O, baka meron sa inyo dyan na size 36C. Size 36C for $2. Size 36C for $2. Size 36C for $2. Comment 36. Comment 36 if you like for $2. Comment 36 if you like for $2. Korean style. Korean style siya. So, I'll give this for $5 na lang. Ang tatak niya is blue pepe. Ang tatak niya is blue pepe. 185,000 won. 185,000 Korean won for $5. Comment 5 if you like. I think this is size large. Comment 5 is if you like. This is Korean brand. Korean brand. Korean brand for $5. It's like this. This is size large. Comment 5 if you like. Pang summer siya, pang summer. Ayan, no? Ganyan yung pinaka-style niya. 185,000 won daw siya sa Korea. Ayan. Pero $5 ko na lang ibibigay. So, comment 5 if you like. Comment 5. Red. Yours na, be. Yours na. Nauna ka na kay red. Okay, yours na si red. Yours na to si red. Yours na to, be. Sis Abby. Baka meron sa inyo dyan na gusto yung ganitong style. This is Shein. This is Shein. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung tela niya. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung tela niya. Pero gusto ko yung style niya kasi off-shoulder. Kasi off-shoulder siya. I'll give this for $5. I'll give this for $5. Ganito yung tela niya, ha? Hindi siya yung super kagandahan ng tela. Pang Pinas naman niya. I know, bagay nga sa kanya yun, te. Ganito siya, ha? Off-shoulder. So, kung gusto niyo to, for $5, comment West. Comment West for $5. Ganyan siya. Off-shoulder, and then Shein ang brand nito, ha? Shein. Shein ang brand for $5. Comment West. Comment West if you like. Comment West if you like. Ganyan siya. Comment West if you like. Off-shoulder. Off-shoulder. Ayan. Nagbabounce. Nagbabounce pa talaga, no? Ayan. Comment West if you like. Ang tindera nyo ay nabaliw na. Nasaan na ba yung i-flex ko dito? I-flex ako. Ay, okay, so this one is size medium. This one is $15. This is, ang tela niya is, ano, ang tela niya is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. Ganito siya. This is size medium for 15. This is size medium for 15. Ganito siya. Shorts. So, comment nude if you like. Comment nude if you like. Comment nude if you like. Comment nude if you like for 15. Comment nude if you like for 15. This is size medium. Size medium. Size medium. Yan. Super cute. For $15, comment nude if you like. Comment nude if you like. For $15. This is size medium on tag. Size medium on tag. Ganyan yung style niya. Size medium on tag. And then this one is size. This one is extra large, size 14, kids. Extra large, size 14, kids for $5. Extra large, size 14, kids for $5. Comment XL. Comment XL. This will fit small to medium adult. This will fit small to medium adult for $5. Comment XL. Super cute, no? Walang large yan. Wala si Cynthia. Wala. Medium lang siya, medium. Ang ganda niya, no? Nakuha na rin kasi yung small. Kukunin ko sana yung small niya, kaya lang nakuha na din. So, comment XL if you like for $5. Comment XL if you like. Oh, another Korean brand. Another Korean brand. This one is a blazer. Blazer cardigan. Ang tatak niya is CC Collect. CC Collect. This is 15. This is 15. Ganyan. Ganito siya. Bagay sa'yo. Ganda, no? 15, be. $15, be. $15 yung suot ko. 15. And then this one is cardigan. Ang cute. Cardigan na ano, na, ang tawag dito? Ayan, cardigan. Small to medium kasha. I think kahit up to large. Kahit up to large kasha dito sa cardigan na to. This is Korean cardigan. I don't know kung pwede siyang ano, reversible. Kasi sabi nung supplier ko, reversible daw siya. I think tatanggalin mo na lang yung pinakatag. Kung gusto mo siyang reversible. Ayan. Ayan, tatanggalin mo lang to and then reversible na siya. Ayan. So, this one is only 15. So, comment cardigan if you like. Comment cardigan if you like for 15. Comment cardigan if you like for 15. Ayan, ganyan siya. Comment cardigan if you like for 15. Reversible. Reversible cardigan. I also have this in different color. I have this in different color. Hold on. Pakita natin yung mga iba-ibang kulay niya. Ay, ito pala yung isang kulay niya. Ganito. Ito yung isang kulay niya. Kulay cream, blue, and then blue. Cream and blue. So, comment 15 blue if you like or comment 15 kung gusto niyo yung isang kulay. Baka meron may gusto sa inyo dyan ng, ng blazer, mga nag-office. I have this in size large for $10. This is size large for $10. Size large for $10. Comment pink if you like. Comment pink if you like. Size large for $10. Comment pink if you like. Comment pink if you like. Size large for $10. Size large for $10. Comment pink if you like. Comment pink if you like. And then I have it in this color, but this one is size medium. I have this in this color. This one is size medium for $10. So comment pink or comment 10. Comment pink or comment 10. So this one is medium. And this one is large. Medium and large. So I also have this blazer. This one is size small. This one is size small. Hold on, let me flex it. This one is size small for $7. Size small for $7. Comment 7 if you like. Comment 7 if you like. Mura na. May na lang tech cream suot mo. Itong suot ko, be? Sige, be. Yours na to. Okay, eto. Comment 7 if you like. This is size small for $7. Comment 7 if you like. This is size small for $7. Comment 7 if you like. This is size small for $7. Pwede siyang pang cover up. Or pwedeng pang pang blazer nyo lang. Ganyan siya. Size small for $7. Size small for $7. Ganyan siya. So, comment 7 if you like. 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 Super cute. Ayan siya, oh. Ganyan yung tela niya. Be, bigay ko na sa'yo ito, be. Cream. Yours na attach yung si cream. Cream. Bet ko din to. I think kukuha din ako nito para sa akin. But small. $7. Yours na yun, mama. Yours na si 7. Cute yun, be. Cute siya. Okay, yours na to, be. Yours na to. Sis Abby. And then, yours na to, mama. Wait lang, ibalot ko. Babalot natin. Joy. Walang may gusto nitong ano, itong kaninang skirt na suot ko. This one is, I will just give this for 18. This is only 18. Ganito siya. Hold on, baby, hold on. Ganito. If you like this, comment 18. If you like, this is small. This is small to medium. This is small to medium. Comment 18 if you like. Comment 18 if you like. I have this one. And I also have the nude. I have this one and then the nude. So comment 18 for this black and comment nude if you like the cream one. If you like the cream color. Ito yung cream color. Ganito yung style niya. Ganito ang style. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda ng button niya, oh. Be, bukas na lang tayo Di ba magkikita naman talaga tayo bukas, be? Di ba magkikita tayo bukas? Be, PM mo ako kasi ano, punta tayo kay La Monica. Punta tayo kay La Monica bukas. Ay, baka merong may gusto sa inyo ng isa pang RL, pero kasi mahal kasi yung mga RL na set eh. Mahal kasi. So, I'll just give this for 25, mga sis. Ganito siya. I'll just give this for 25. Ganito yung pinaka-set niya. Set na siya for 25, okay? It's like this. Ganito siya. So, meron siyang kasamang skirt. Skirt, ganyan. And then, nandyan yung pinaka-logo niya. And then, ganito yung pinaka, ano niya, top niya. Ayan. I'll give this for 25 if you like. Ganyan siya. This will fit, this will fit small to extra large. This will fit small to extra large. Small to extra large for 25 for this set. Comment 25 if you like. Comment 25 if you like. Ganyan siya. Comment 25 if you like. Comment 25 if you like. Baka meron pang hindi sa inyo nakakuha ng ng set natin na na ganito. Hold on. Hold on, baby, hold on. Okay. So, pants siya, pants, for $20. This one, I'm gonna try is size small. This one, I'm gonna try is size small, and this is in color black. Size small and color black, ganito siya. Ganito. Ganito. Okay. Ganito siya. Size small and color black for $20. For $20. Super ganda ng material nito, mga sis. Super ganda ng material. Ayan. Super ganda ng material. This one I'm wearing is size small and color black for $20. Size small, color black for $20. Ganyan siya. Hold on. Ayan. Ganito. Ayan. Size small, color black for $20. I have this in color. I have this in I have this in this color, cream. I have this in cream. And I have it in gray. I have it in mine 20 te. Okay, yours na to, be. Yours na tong suot ko. Yours na. Parang gusto ko din to. Medium na lang para natira. Be, anong kulay yung gusto? Ay, anong size yung gusto mo, be? I have small and medium. I have small and medium. Be, anong kulay ang gusto? Ay, anong size ang gusto mo? Small or medium? Itong sinuot ko is small. Meron akong medium. Meron akong medium. Yeah, meron akong medium. Meron akong medium. Black te. Anong size ba? Medium? Medium na black. Wait lang ba? Okay, sige. Sige, yours na to ba? Okay, and then I have this style on this. I have the skirt style. Ganito naman siya. Meron siyang slit sa likod. This one is also 20. All black. Okay, sige, be. Na-reserve mo yung small ko. Small sa akin, be. Small ba, be? Akala ko medium. Akala ko medium. Pants ba yung sayo? Be, pumunta ka na nga lang dito. Ano bang ano mo? Ano bang ang tawag doon? Wait lang. Navy tsaka cream yung gusto mo, be. Navy at tsaka cream yung gusto mo. Navy at tsaka cream or yung cream mo is skirt, yung navy is the pants. Both size medium yun. Both size medium. Okay, so this one is the skirt. Ganito siya sa likod. Ayan. Ganyan siya sa likod. I have this in small, medium, and large for 20. Small, medium, and large for 20. Ganito siya. Ayan. Ayan. Small, medium, and large for 20. I have this in this color. And I have it in cream. Cream and navy. I have it in cream and I have it in navy. Kasya sa'yo yung small, so kasya din. Yes, be, yung small na yon ano lang siya, black. Hindi siya navy and hindi siya, gusto mo ba yung small, color black, or navy medium? Small black or navy medium? Small black or navy na medium. Okay, so it's this one. This one is this one is size medium, but change ng skirt sa small size. Be, small size, anong kulay, be? Small black na lang. Na skirt, be. Small black na skirt, right? Small black na skirt. Small black na skirt be or small black na pants? Small black na skirt or small black na pants? May cream? Meron cream be. Cream na skirt na yung nakuha mo. Cream na skirt na yung nakuha mo. Cream na skirt na yung nakuha mo, be. Cream na skirt na yung nakuha mo. Wait lang, meron na may atin. Cream na skirt but small. Cream na skirt but small. Okay, so sa cream na sa skirt natin, be, wala kong small na cream. Wala kong small na cream. Ang small lang natin sa skirt is color wait lang, be. Ang small lang is black, navy, okay, ato. So, small na skirt be ha? Small na skirt. Tapos, ano sa pants mo, be? Sa pants, ano? Hold on. Sa pants, sa pants, small or medium? Pants, small or medium? Small or medium? Sa pants, let me know kung pants small or pants medium, be. Okay. So this one, I'm gonna put it on sale. This one, I'll sell this for $3. This one, and then $2 na lang. $2, I have this in medium, and I have this in large. Medium and large for $2. Comment 2 medium or comment 2 large if you like for $2. Comment 2 medium or comment 2 large if you like for $2. Ganito siya. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ayan. So, for $2, comment 2 medium or comment 2 large. Black sa pants size mo. Okay. Black size mo. Okay, be. Okay, yours na to si black. Two medium. Yours na 2 medium, be. I have it in large. I have 2 more if you like. 2 more if you like for $2. I have small pala. I have 1 small and 1 large. 1 small and 1 large. 1 small and 1 large. Ganito. So, ganito siya. 1 small and 1 large. So, ito kay sis, ano na to? Kay sis Melissa, size medium. Sis Melissa, yours na ito. Sis Melissa. Okay. Sis Melissa. And then, kay Sis May. Kay Sis May, itong si large. May isa pa, small. Kunin nyo na si small for $2. Kunin nyo na. Sis May. Isa na lang ang natitira for $2. Kunin nyo na. $2. Comment 2S. Comment 2S if you like for $2. Comment 2S if you like. Baka may small dyan. Baka may small dyan. Bodysuit for $4. Bodysuit for $4. Size small. Comment pink. Comment pink. Bodysuit size small for $4. Comment pink. Comment pink. Large na top for $3. Oops. Large na top for $3. Comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like. Large na top for $3. Comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like. Pwede siyang off shoulder. Pwede rin siyang ganon. Comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like. Ito is Ami na t-shirt. Ami na t-shirt, size small. Ami na t-shirt, size small, embroidered for $7. Ami na t-shirt, size small, embroidered for $7. Comment 7. Comment 7. Sis May, yours na to si 3. Sis May. Yours na attach. Sis May. Sis May. I have this size small na tube. Size small na tube. Size small na tube for $5. Size small na tube for $5. Comment 5 if you like. Comment 5 if you like. Size small na tube for $5. Hold on. Sukat natin. Bet ko tong si tube. Yours na to ba? Yours na to si Ami. Ami. Sis Abby. Okay. Tube for $5, size small. Tube for $5, size small. Ganyan siya. Hold on. Okay. Gusto ko kasi ipakita sa inyo kasi cute to siya eh. Ayan. Size small only. Size small only for $5. Size small for $5 tube. Size small for $5 na tube. Ganyan siya. Bodysuit size large. Bodysuit size large for $2. Bodysuit size large for $2. Comment large. Comment large if you like. Bodysuit for $2. Comment large. Size medium 8 na kids, pero kasya siya sa extra small for $2. Comment 2 if you like. Comment 2 if you like this. Comment 2 if you like. Medium kids, kasya siya sa extra small. Comment 2 if you like. Ito, very sexy. Very sexy na bodysuit. Size large on tag. Size large on tag. Pero kasya to sa ano? Sa medium, I think. Size large on tag for $3. Size large on tag for $3. Comment ring. Comment ring if you like. Comment ring if you like. Comment ring if you like for $3. Hindi kasya sa kanya to, be. Be, hindi kasya sa kanya to tube. Off shoulder, size medium off shoulder for $2. Size medium off shoulder for $2. Comment black. Comment black. But size 2. Size 2. Size medium off shoulder. Size medium off shoulder for $2. Comment black. Comment black. Size medium off shoulder for $2. Comment black. Comment black. Ganyan siya. Yan. Yan. Size small bodysuit, ganito yung pinaka-style niya. Size small bodysuit for $3 na lang, Size small bodysuit for $3. Comment 3 if you like, comment 3 if you like. I have this 245. This is 245. This is 245, size small. And, hold on. Comment bundle na lang. Comment bundle if you like. Ganito yung style niya. Ayan. 245. 245, size small. This is size small. Comment bundle if you like. Comment bundle if you like. 245, size small. 245, size small. Comment bundle if you like. Comment bundle if you like. 245. 245, comment bundle if you like. You'll get one block, and then one pink for $5. Hello, Sisi! Hello, Sisi! Thank you so much! Kita mo pala ang live ko. Nakita mo ang live ko. This one is size medium. Size medium. I also have it in size medium. 2 pieces for $5. 2 pieces for $5. I have this in this color. You'll get this color and black. 2 pieces for $5. Size medium. Be, sa'yo na yung small, be. Be, sa'yo na si small. Ay, pasok ko na lang dito. Maganda to pambigay. Maganda siyang pang-gift. Pang-gift. Okay, yours na to, be. Small, be, ha? Small yung bigay ka sa'yo. This is Abby. Oh, ito. Baka may gusto sa inyo. Okay. Butterfly na top. I will give this $3 na lang. Okay? $3 na lang. May ano pala yung tatak niya. Hold on. So, I have small. I have medium. And I have large for $3. I have small, I have medium, and I have large for $3. Comment B. Comment B, S, BM, or BL. B small, B medium, or B large. Thank you, Sisi ko. Thank you. Okay. So, eto siya. Eto tong butterfly na top. For $3, comment B small. B medium or B large. Ganyan siya. Ayan. O, diba? B small, B medium, and B large for $3. Hold on. O, meron pa ako nito. This one is large ulit. Large ulit for $3. Large ulit for $3. Comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like. For size large, comment 3 if you like. Comment 3 if you like size large. Hold on. Baby, hold on. Ano size yung suot mo, be? Size small, be. Size small. So, I only have one small, 2 medium, and 2 large. Kasi mine na tong si isa. Mine na ng tindera. Nagmamay ng tindera. Medium. Large. Large. Okay, so this one is for $3. This one is for $3. I have it in medium and large. I have this in medium and large. So, comment, ano na lang dito? Comment 3 medium or comment 3 large if you like. It's like this. So, pwede siyang ganyan or pwede siyang off-shoulder. Pwedeng ganyan or pwedeng off-shoulder. For $3, comment 3 medium or 3 large. 3 medium or 3 large. Ang ganda nito. Ayan o. 3 medium or 3 large. Butterfly medium. Ayaw, be, medium ka dito. Kasi alam mo na ang ating pagkalaki-laking melon. Yours na to si medium, be. Okay. 3 medium or 3 large. Maganda to mga sisi. Super cute nito, mga sisi. Super cute. Ganyan yung style niya, oh. Pwedeng naka-off shoulder or pwede siyang nakaganyan. For $3. Actually, large na lang natira. Sa akin na to. Sa akin na din tong si medium. Sa akin na si medium. Kakatanggalin ko lang kung si tube. Para makapagsukat ako maayos. Okay, so this one, I'll give this for $2. I'll give this for $2. I have this in size small. Hold on. Okay. Ganito siya. I'll give this for $2. I have in size medium and large. Comment green, small, green, medium, or green large for $2. Comment green, small, green, medium, or green large for $2. Green, small, green, medium, or green large for $2. Ganyan siya. Green, small, green, medium, or green large for $2. Ganyan. And then, ganyan yung niya. Meron siyang tali-tali sa gilid. So, comment green small, green medium, or green large for $2. Hold on, baby, hold on. You've got to go on now. So small. This one, I'll give this for $3. This, I'll give this for $3. I only have it in size large. I only have this in size large for $3. Comment cream if you like. Comment cream if you like for $3. Comment cream if you like for $3. This is the large size. This is the large size. Ganito siya. Ayan. Taka lang. Ayan. So, this is $3. Ganyan yung pinaka-tela niya. Super soft ng tela niya. Ayan. This is large size. This is large size. Ganyan siya. So, comment cream if you like. Comment cream if you like. Size large only. Size large only. Ganyan. And then, I have this one. And then I have this one is also green. I'll give this for $2. I'll give this for $2. That's this one. Ganito siya. Ay. Wait lang. Ganito siya. Knitted top. Knitted top. Ganito. I have this in small, medium, and large for $2. Comment green. Ay, green na yung isa. Comment 2S, 2 medium, and 2 large. I only have this in 2 medium. I only have this in ano, ilan ba? Small. Small. And large. Okay, so isang large lang ang natitira ko dito, and then the rest is medium and small. I have 3 small and 3 medium and 1 large. For $2, comment 2S, 2 medium, or 2 large. Pabili. Bili na, be! Ibili mo nga si Kumare. Ibili mo nga si Kumare ko. 2 large. 2 large. Okay, yours na si large, ate. Nakuha mo pa. Isa na lang yung large natin. Okay, yours na to, te. Yours na to, te. Ate Blanche. Meron pa. 2S, 2 medium, or 2 large. 1 small. Yours na, sis Ann. 1 small. Okay, yours na to, sis small, sis Ann. Maganda to mga sis. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo yung tela niya. Knitted. And then, very, very demure. Huwag nyo lang pansinin yung tiyan ko kasi naiipit nitong, nitong aking shorts. Ayan. Okay, yours na to, sis Ann. Hold on. Sis Nis, too small. Sis Nis, medium. Medium. Eto. Okay, small. Okay, yours na to, sis Nis. Sis Nis. Walay na. Wala na. O, sino may gusto nito? Size small. Size small. Size small for $2. Size small for $2. Size small for $2. Comment small. Comment small. Size small for $2. Comment small. Comment small. Ito naman, I'll give this, let's see. Hello, Cass! Nanonood pa lang aking cousin. I'll see you. I'll see you in Japan. Okay. So this one, I'll give this for $3. This one, I'll give this for $3. I have it in small and in medium. Parang panitad din yung style niya, ganyan. I have this in small and medium only for $3. For $3. Comment 3S, 3M, or 3 large. 3S, 3M, or 3 large for $3. Ganyan siya. Parang panitad yung type niya. Maganda to kapag ka nakaganyan ka and then papatungan mo ng blazer. Kaganyan ka, papatungan mo ng blazer, mag-long, long necklace. Excited. Oh, di ba? Oh, mag-mine ka na dyan. Mag-mine ka na. Mag-mine ka na. Mag-mine ka na. Wala kay 3S, 3M, or 3L. Okay. Next style. Next is this one. Ganito naman siya. This one I'm wearing is size medium. This one I'm wearing is size medium. This one is also $3. This one is also $3. Ganito yung style niya. Ayan, paruch. O, diba? Tignan nga natin ito dito. Okay, so for this one, I have this in size small and large. One small, 2 large, and 1 medium for $3. Comment 3 small, 3 medium, or 3 large. 3 medium. Yours is Chelly. Ay, ito palang suot ko. I have small na lang and large. I have small na lang and large. Mine, tas bigay lang lugi. Sige na, mag-mine ka na dyan. Mag-mine ka na. Yours na to, sis Chelly, si medium. Yours na si medium. Sis Chelly. 3 small. Yours na din, sis Jonah. Naunahan ka, sis Nis. Sis Nis, naunahan ka sa medium. Sis Chelly. Ay, sa small. And then, sis Jonah. Large na lang. Large na lang, mga sisi. Large na lang. Sis Jonah. Large na lang. Large na lang. Kunin nyo na to. Kunin nyo na to. Parang awa nyo na. Charot. Isa na lang. Nag-iisa na lang to. Kunin nyo na. $2 ko na lang ibibigay. Size medium. $2 ko na lang ibibigay. Size medium. Comment medium. Comment medium. $2 na lang. Nakakuha si Sis Jonah nito $4. Or $5 pa yata. Kunin nyo na to for $2 na lang. Mawala lang siya sa aking paningin. Size medium for $2. Ganyan siya. Size medium for $2. Comment medium. Comment medium. Kunin nyo na. Parang awa nyo na. Charot. Kunin nyo na itachiwa. Wait lang. Ipapasok ko lang yung ating Ayan! Sinong kumuha? Sis Melissa! Yours na to, Sis Melissa. Narinig mo siguro yung ano ko. Okay, yours na to, Sis Melissa. Ayan, naunahan ka, Sis, Sis Nis. Kas, wala, naunahan ka din. Sis Pinky, naunahan ka din. Okay. Yours na to, Sis Melissa. Melissa. Tapos ayaw mo palang parinig sa asawa mo, no, sis, na nagmamind ka. Tapos inulit-ulit ko pa yung pangalan mo. Ay, naunahan na kayo. Naunahan na kayo kay 2. O, ito. $3. For $3. Dalawang large na lang. Large na lang natira for $3. Large na lang natira for $3. Comment L na lang dito. Comment L na lang. Comment L na lang. Ganito siya. Comment L. Large na lang. Tingnan ko kung kasya sa medium. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ganito yung style niya. Large na lang. Malaki siya sa medium, ha? Hindi pwede sa medium. Comment large if you like or L if you like. Sis, nakaalis na kaya pwede. Yan, ayan na siya. Gray, cream, and black na suot mo. Medium nitong suot ko, sis, na gray, tsaka cream. Gray, tsaka cream. Meron pa, sis. Sis, meron pa. Meron pa, sis. Meron pa. And black. Black din. Wala nang black, be. Pero medium meron. Walang black, pero medium meron. Walang black, pero medium meron. Lakas maka-sexy, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. O, kunin nyo na to. $3 na lang, size large. $3 na lang, size large. $3 size large. Comment large. Comment large. Comment large. For $3. Puro large na lang yung mga natitira. Oh, wala bang mga large dyan? Wala bang mga large? O, ito, bodysuit, $3 na lang. Bodysuit, $3, size large. Bodysuit, $3, size large. Bodysuit, $3, size large. Bodysuit, $3, size large. Huwag ka na ibalot. Paubos ko lang tong mga top natin, ha. Top tsaka bodysuit. And then, babalik ako sa sa mga set, no? Large. Yours na to, Sis Melissa. Sis Melissa, alin pala? Si bodysuit or si green? Itong green ba, Sis Melissa? Sis Melissa. Sis Melissa, let me know kung green or bodysuit. Paubos ko lang tong mga natin, then babalik ako sa set, no? Babalik ako sa set. Wala na si hawak ko kayo. Oh, ito, size large din. Cream, green. Okay, I got you, sis. Oh, ito size large din. Size large na bodysuit, $4. Size large na bodysuit, $4. Comment cream, comment cream. Comment cream, size large bodysuit. Comment